United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 167. The staff of the authority. 1. The staff of the authority shall consist of such qualified scientific and technical and other personnel as may be required to fulfill the administrative functions of the authority. 2. The paramount consideration in the recruitment and employment of the staff, and in the determination of their conditions of service, shall be the necessity of securing the highest standards of efficiency, competence and integrity. Subject to this consideration, due regard shall be paid to the importance of recruiting the staff on as wide a geographical basis as possible. 3. The staff shall be appointed by the Secretary-General. The terms and conditions on which they shall be appointed, remunerated and dismissed shall be in accordance with the rules, regulations and procedures of the authority.